Good morning to a very rubbish day. It's raining so much, so much that I don't think we will have some walk today. And let's see here. Look at this, it's so cloudy. Yeah. Okay. Oh, plus I think the mail lady is coming, and I wanted to show, we were talking with I don't look this, it's a lot of mess that I have to take care. This is my book library, and as you can see I ran out of space, and that is the reason I'm been donating a lot of books, and I will see in my local library when I take some of the ones that I have, like very nice ones. The truck just came with the garbage can, and there goes my postman. And this is my tree. I wanted to share also. I already put Frosty stocking. I need to put for my husband. Maybe I will do it now that he went to do some groceries. I wanted to show that one is for all the ones that we lost. My mother-in-law, my dad, my father-in-law, my sister-in-law. We lost so many people, and all my babies, my Heidi and Grace. And these are my decoration, years of buying slowly each one of them. I wish I can just share a picture of the old one. These ones, like these other one that I got on Target, but not all at the same time. Every year I bought one box to build. These are the old ones that my husband had in his tree, so we keep them until we have more. But I think we're kind of good now. I have these little pigeons, a couple there, that we bought also, I think it was also Target, and this was the last one that we bought on Target that looks like candles. It's set of 4, so we got 2 sets, or only 1 set, I'm not remembering well. These ones, 3 or 4 bells that my husband got from Ireland, and I love them. They are handmade, they're really pretty. I love them. Where is my first Christmas tree? Oh, I got it. Also these ones that looks like candy cane. My husband told me that it was very traditional to have real candy cane in the tree. I never did before. This is an angel that I got on McDaniel's, a local store here. I think it was that one, and this, my first Christmas decoration. Oh, yes. So this is my Christmas tree, and finally we got 2 years ago this star. It was no expensive, but finally we got something that we like, because it's hard to find those ones. Okay, let's go to see how it's going. He likes that. Reminds me of an old picture that I had of Heidi and Grace at the door in Christmas. Last night I made this mess. Sorry. I began to mark to make this sweater. Oh, are you okay? He's still having pain. We don't know which one of the legs. It looks like it's the front one and the back one that he hurt. It's not so bad now, but it's getting better. I finally got light. Last night I was trying to go ahead on this because really now we will begin to talk. Maybe we will go out tonight, and I was thinking maybe I can finish this for tonight. We will see. It is 11:30 and I have not done anything else. I was actually doing a lot of my Sudoku. I didn't do it yesterday. I was knitting a new scarf. I began last night when I finished the hat. I stayed until really late. I was enjoying my day off. So I got a hat and a scarf done. I'm trying to do another one. And when I get all these for the donations, like scarves and maybe meetings, I don't know yet. We are on that. Should we do the advent? Let's do it. Okay, we'll put you in this position. I took a shower. My hair is wet. Sorry. Yes, I know. Let's see. Cookies. Day 22nd. 22. It's here. And it's one of the brown ones. I haven't seen this one. This one and the chocolate chips are like not very common. I have all the cookies there. I don't eat them right away. Sometimes I wait until I'm kind of craving for something and I eat. And 22nd here. Peppermint candy. Yeah, I'm just taking them and no, they have no different smell at all. Nothing that I can do about that. I'm kind of disappointed of that one. Oh, and also, you know that I am doing this, my book. I actually, today in the morning I began to read. I love the story of today. It was so sweet. The name was Exact Right Place. About a girl that was living in a little town, destiny to get married with somebody from the high society because as rules of the town or rules of the life like it was before in the 90s, 50s had to happen. And she got engaged, and on the day of the engagement she ran away from the party, went to hide to like a little area where close to the ocean and met somebody there. And in a few minutes she discovered the wonderful of be free and take her own decisions in life thanks to this person. And by chances of life he decided to buy a ticket to leave the town and have a new life and give the ticket to her so she can have a new life and escape what it was her destiny. So she began to, years later she is making perfumes and created perfumes with memories of smells and things like that. So she has a little store with perfumes. So I'm thinking it's something related to that. So in the part that is there, it says Ellie moved to the counter at the front of the store and began pulling all collection of clear glass dispensers from the box. Let's see. It's amazing. It's almost done. I have only 2 left. 11. It's a box. Let's move this. Okay, sorry, the light is really bad with this rain and everything, and I have all the windows open. Oh, look at this fast up. let's see what surprise we have. Hand soap, dish soap, lotion, face wash. Oh, so are dispensers. That's interesting. Oh, I don't know if you can see. It has a little bookish thing there. That's amazing. So you have two of these, and you can put on them whatever you have there. That's I could maybe use for my kitchen, and for the dish soap. That sounds like really good because I have in my kitchen, and I hope they are good. Oh, I'm totally using this in my kitchen now. I love it. Oh. So good. I'm so happy with this box. I would not lie. It's only one item that I was that is just know what I want, or like I don't know what to do. Maybe I will just give away for somebody that maybe can have a use for that, but this is perfect. When I finish all these, I will take a picture at the end of this, the last book, and showed you everything that I got if you didn't watch all my other videos. So I am happy with this one. Really cute. So now I need to, I will actually put this one away and wait in 2 days and get rid of the big, huge, it's huge, the box, can you see? Let me go far away. Oh, it's so big. That takes a lot of space also in my room, so or maybe wait and be patient and take a picture with everything inside. Advent edition, as you see there. It's cute. I totally going to have this one again the next year. I love it. Okay, now I have to get this done. I think I can get it, so I will work on this. It is 6:32. I am working on my scarf and I have a coffee and 3 of the little chocolates that my friend made for me. I will indulge today. What's more, Vlogmas, and not sure if I will edit the video today, to be honest. I'm really tired. Maybe I will edit tomorrow very early. So this is all for tonight, and I will see you tomorrow. Oh yes, we're not going out tonight. We decided to change the plans for tomorrow and just relax tonight. So good night.